Number 1, Warwick. Number 9, Old Porthouse. 16, Sheffield. The Manchester Horse Wagon Tower. And then, as I call it, the spare wagon, but it's called something else. And then number 8, Chesterfield. And then the Eagle Patient Reversible Horse Tram. About this, it's one of them where there's a cab on it, and you can turn the cab and do that. And then the 107 horse tram, I think that's the youngest tram here, what I've got told or heard or something. And then the number 21, it's a tram, but not electric tram or horse tram. It's actually a steam tram trailer, and it was for that 47 tram, 47 steam tram. It was like that. But there's a little model there. So this one's the 21 Dundee. This one is the number 1 Douglas. These are quite a fair bit of number 1s. And then the number 2 Leeds Tower. The number 4 Blackpool. And the number 45 Southampton. Yes, and some people keep climbing onto it. 45 and number 4. Number 10 Hill of House. Yes, I've got Bush now. Number 5 Barnsley. And then number 5 Gateshead. So there's number 10. 76 Leicester. But this one tram, the latest one will come. You see how these trams like that? There's a tram in that corner, and it's smaller. And that's the 85 Portsmouth. And I do it like this. I know what trams they are. There's 85 Portsmouth, double 1 at 1115, and that's Glasgow. There's 249 Blackpool, 35 Edinburgh, 1147 Hagoon, then 246 Sheffield, then there's a 602 Leeds tram, and then 1297 Glasgow. Then the first one I get up to is 35 Portsmouth. The lady what saved the tram. So this is 1115 Glasgow. And then 249 Blackpool tram, but you can't go in this tram, but you have to go on the other side. And then 35 Edinburgh is the next one. Come with up.
Thank you.
Come with up. End of it. This one's trying, it's a bit different. Because all the controls are all the time. Then 264 Sheffield. Yeah, they got the models today. And then the 602 Leeds tram. 249. Let's go. And then the number 1. They can restore that one, but they're keeping it how it is. So you got bare wood, first primer, coat oil filter, and then coat oil filter again, and then the undercoat, and then the second undercoat, then the paint, and then another one, and then technically so there'll be another line there, and then the varnish, and then the paintwork.
Oh yeah, no.
Eh?
Nothing like that.
I bought some to hand in empty. And take some back with me.
Yeah, right, we'll have that.
Print me an header.
You haven't got that?
Oh yeah,
Yes, I have.
I thought you were noticed that. I thought you were noticed that.
It says there's a hydraulic
No,
somewhere.
it doesn't want to burn me. There is. It's inside. If you look where the arc weld is at the back.
Oh, is that what, when it flashes?
Wait, passes. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have that. 301.
Send me a flat one.
Just after that.